In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can generate for free AI images inside N8N using this very simple workflow and using OpenRouter. Also with OpenRouter, we will be using the latest model from Google, which is Nano Banana. And you can use it completely for free right now. Of course, the limits apply every day, but for 5 to 10 requests per day, you are good to go with this generator. And if you want other usages, you can just replace this very simple node with whatever else you can. For example, you can do an HTTP request, Hugging Face, image generators, or other tools. So if you want this workflow, it's going to be in the description down below. It's completely free to use and you only have to put your email and you are getting the file. After you get the JSON file, you want to come here. You want to spin up a new workflow, come here, import from file, and you are going to see this. So this compromises of 2 AI nodes, which you will have to set up for your own use case. This is a Gemini node that uses Gemini 2.5 Plus. We use this to optimize our prompt. So essentially, through this chat box over here, we're going to specify what we want to generate. This message will be given to the Gemini model, which is completely free to use. I will show you how to get this node set up. And this node will optimize our prompt to output the highest quality image possible. Then the result will go into this HTTP request, which I have set up already for you. And I will show you how to get credentials to use it for free. And this will generate the image. Then we get the image data and convert it to an image file, which we can download. So let's do a small demo of it. So generate an image of an astronaut flying in a jelly space. He is holding a beer. So let's view the file. And this is the image we created. So this is the astronaut into space holding a beer. And this is the space that is like jelly. So this is an image generated. Generate the image of a flying person that is a superhero over Paris. Realistic setting. So let's type that and let's see the result. One of the things that you should note is that Google is very, restrictive into what you input. So possibly your workflows will fail if you specify real places or prohibited content. So let's see the image. We got the image here on the final node. We click view, and this is pretty much Superman flying over Paris. And we can see it being as realistic as possible. Superman doesn't look that realistic, but it's a beautiful image with Paris on the background looking super realistic. So how can you do that? Let me show you. First of all, we've got this Gemini node. You will have to create your own credentials and you want here to create your credential account. So how can you get credentials? You go to AI Studio and after that you go to get API key. Here you can create a new API key for your use case. You can use the free plan and just copy the key here, create a new credential and place the key into this spot. Simple as that. You got nothing else to do. The next thing is OpenRouter. So you want to go to OpenRouter, and on OpenRouter what you want to do is go to your account keys and create a new key. Okay, 0 credit usage. If you don't put your credit card or credits, you will not be charged at all. So here you want to come and select predefined credential type. This is set up for you. OpenRouter account, you just create a new credential and you place your OpenRouter API key on the HTTP request node and you are good to go. Everything else is set up for you. You don't have to worry about it. And then you use this chat message over here to generate images completely for free. When you click on this final node, you can download the image or view it here. And this is pretty much it. This is so simple to do. And in any case, if you want to learn more about AI and creating stuff with AI, I've got a very cheap course for you. It costs only $20. You buy only once and you get monthly updates. Right now we have over 40 hours of tutorials for AI, from video generation, speech generation, music generation, coding, deep research. Pretty much everything you can think of, it's in here. So if you want to get started with AI, the link for the course will be down below. And of course, you support my channel by buying the course. Thank you very much for watching. Press the subscribe button and I will see you on the next video. Bye.